Hello guys, today I brought you a new recipe which is chocolate pancakes. And for that pancakes, you need the ingredients are cup of maida, 1 cup of sugar powder, 1 cup of milk, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, melted butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. We need to mix all the ingredients and stir them well. Take a whisk and mix all the ingredients well. When all the ingredients are well mixed and you add your milk and your butter. Then add your vanilla essence and whisk them well. If your batter is this consistency, you add more milk and make in this consistency. Heat up a pan, add the melted butter on it and then pour your batter in it. After a few seconds, your pancake starts bubbling, then you flip it up and garnish it with chocolate syrup, and you can even garnish it with fruits too. Here you go, our chocolate pancakes are ready. If you like this recipe, please try it out and let me know in the comment section how did you get them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Junior's Kitchen.